Hi, it's Adam here, CEO of Enado, with a bite-sized episode about our Lutron integration. Enado is a LEAP authorised with Lutron, which means we're one of their official partners with two-way authentication. So effectively, you can control Enado from a Lutron keypad, and also you can control Lutron from Enado. So what we've got is the standard in the boardroom. You've seen this before, the layout of the rooms. Now what I'm going to show you is one of the areas that might bring some ideas about one of the advantages for Enado working with Lutron. Lutron's a fabulous system for lighting control, but obviously in some instances you want a lot more scenes available to your clients than a standard keypad would provide. So for example, we've got a chill out area here, which is the subset of behind a bar. So you can see there's a couple of normal lighting sequences, but then look at this. Imagine trying to accomplish this on a Lutron keypad. What Enado allows you to do is to pick any of those shelves with any particular colours just by tapping an individual button. So along with this already, we've got something like 12 buttons per box, so 96 potential scenes on one wall.